How's it going today, YouTube? Today we're not working on old red, and we're not working on the green goat. So what are we going to be working on today? And it's not copperhead. It's like copperhead, but not really. Today I'm going to go over to a buddy's house. You've seen his car. It's the Hellcat I have on my channel. I'm going to go over to his house, and we're going to work on his 78 Warlock. See if we can get the brakes done on it. So stay tuned for that. Later, guys. How's it going, guys? We're over here at my buddy Bruce's house with his 79 Warlock. We'll flip around where you can see the engine here.
Don't pay no attention to the dirtiness.
We just got done putting this new brake line in. It was leaking down below because it's an old truck. But this is a 383, probably 400 horse, 450 torque, something around that range. Runs out pretty good. Got the 6AL box on it. And let's get around here where we can actually see the truck itself. Enough room over here. There's the truck. Step side. You can see it is a beautiful black truck. Step side bed. And he's got to redo the inside of the bed. But that's part of it. It's going to be all wood bed. He's got this on the back window, which this is another one he made himself. Let's get on the inside and take a look at it. It's got all this scroll work on it, along the door. Custom speaker guard. Down the dash. Dash is in really good shape. Gauges down below, you really can't see them very well because it's dark in here. But the truck overall is really good for a 79. It's never been restored. Got the headrest embroidered. So yeah, but that's the truck. So anyway, y'all seen the inside, this is the outside. But let me know if y'all want to see this thing at No Name Nationals. I'm going to try and talk Bruce into coming up to No Name Nationals with me. So let me know, guys. We'll go out here and take another look at the Hellcat and get them started. We got to go get gas for the truck. So say hi, Bruce.
Hey, buddy.
So anyway, but we're going to go get some gas for the Warlock. Get it started up where y'all can hear it, and we'll get the Hellcat started up. Oh, and I'll show y'all one other thing he's got. It's pretty cool. Who likes Harleys? Now, Bruce, you have to do the audio and tell me exactly what this is.
2014 Harley Davidson Softair Heritage, 103 cubic inch, 6-speed. Custom paint.
Good looking bike. All chromed out. It probably needs to be cleaned up too, but everybody's stuff's dirty. It's winter time. So we'll be back when we get some gas and get ready to fire some stuff up. Okay, here we go for the startup. Gotta let the battery charge. It hadn't been started in 6 months.
fuel pressure out there?
Yes. Yep, everything looks good. Yeah. Well, go ahead and just hold it wide open next time you do it. It's spinning over just fine.
See if that MSD red light comes on.
I think it was. Yep, it's blinking. Like we're not getting fire for some reason. Got fuel pressure. Man, it's a solid 6. It's spinning over just fine. Well, looks like all the plugs are there. Everything's plugged in. Well, that's good. The only reason it shouldn't is there's something wrong with that MSD, and shouldn't be.
The light was coming on, wasn't it?
Yeah, it blinks twice like it's supposed to.
It's getting gas.
Now, whose carb is that?
That's a thumper carb.
That's a thumper carb. That light's flashing as it's turning over, so it's firing. I think you're just gonna have to clear it out now. It took, first time I started up red, it took it a minute to fire out. Then again, that was 2 years of the motor sitting. Let's let it sit for a little bit. Well, guys, it looks like we're gonna have to pull the carburetor off and go through it and clean it up. I think it's got gunked up because it'll start with starter fluid, but it's not getting enough fuel through the carburetor. So we'll revisit the Warlock again. But yeah, just remember, It's an awfully pretty truck. We'll be back.